Hello, all. This is a Telegram bot that fetches weather information when a user sends a message. It uses Node.js, Firebase file store, and Weather Map API to get and store weather data. Now, I'll explain my code. Um, the first line disables unnecessary warnings, and coming to later, we import the required modules Firebase admin series, Firebase admin to connect to the file store, and Node Telegram bot API. It helps us to create a Telegram bot and Axios fetches weather data from an API. We load Firebase credentials from key4.jsco and key4.jsco and we initialize this Firebase with admin.initialize app. We create a Firestore database instance with admin.firestore and coming to this is a JSON file key4.json. This is a service account key for a Firebase admin SDK. It allows our code to securely connect and interact with the Firebase file store. Coming to this, where am I? Mm, we define the bot token which is required to connect our bot to the Telegram. Then we create a new bot instance with the uh, polling mode, so it continuously listens for messages. We print Telegram bot is running to confirm that bot has started. Mm, bot.on is used for every time a user sends a messages, the bot listens to it using this one and we have extracted chat ID to reply to the user text the actual message sent by the user and message parts it splits the messages into words to process commands and the bot checks if the message starts with get weather. It extracts the city name from the message, calls the open weather map API using axios.got. Here is the API key. And if the data is found, extracts temperature and weather description and saves it to the Firebase. If the city is invalid, if the city is invalid, it notifies to the user. If something goes wrong, an error message is sent to the user. Error fetching, error fetching weather data. Please try again later. And this is the code. I'll show how it runs. I'll show my execution. In this folder, I have stored my code. Opening the command prompt, giving the prompt. I have saved my code with bot.js. See, the message was popped up with Telegram bot is running. So let's go to Telegram. Bot folder, my bot, starting. Shit, no problem. Mm. It has given an invalid command. 1 minute, guys. See, I have given Vishakhapatnam. It gave error fetching weather data. Please try again later. And I'll show another one. See, it has given, I have given Vijayanagaram. It has gave that the weather in Vijayanagaram. This is how we use the bot. And now I'll show how it is stored in Firebase. Firebase is a cloud database where we store weather details. 1 minute, I'll show the Firebase. This is the Firebase. Inside a collection called weather, each city's weather data is stored as a document with the city name as a document ID. Here is that I have given Vijayanagaram, city Vijayanagaram, description few clouds, temperature 22.33, and the timestamp. This is how my code works. Thank you for watching.